there, today is part 5 out of our 10-part series on understanding the 10 key risks when underwriting multifamily properties. So we'll talk about finance and refinance risk, which is the risk of increased costs or inability to secure financing or refinance your existing loans due to changes in credit availability and credit appetite, rising interest rates, or other macroeconomic conditions. For those of you who were around in 2022 and maybe even early 2023, you probably remember that interest rates were increasing substantially over a short period of time, and there were many lenders who would either walk away from a deal at the 11th hour or substantially change the terms at the 11th hour. Nothing that you could have controlled, yet certainty of closure is important because as an investor you often incur hard costs such as earnest money deposits, a lot of precious time in doing the due diligence, as well as additional costs in performing diligence such as inspections, hiring third parties to help with various aspects of the diligence, and so forth. So how do you mitigate such a risk? Well, first of all, is having strong relationships either with multiple lenders or ideally with a broker who has proven ability to close on loans. Now, they may not be the least expensive or offer you the lowest rate, but at least you would have certainty that the people you're working with will deliver. In addition, when underwriting multifamily properties, I personally do not like to project a refinance in the numbers because, again, this is not something that is 100% within your control. When you include refinance in the numbers, any good underwriter knows is that your pro forma returns will be inflated, and you don't want that. You want realistic, not optimistic numbers. And secondly, you do not want your entire business plan to hinge on your ability to refinance a property, which you may or may not be able to do depending on what the market conditions are at that future point of time. So if you'd like a copy of the full guide, feel free to DM or comment below. And if you found the video helpful, please like, share, or subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.